Ever felt like Google Docs has a mind of its own, adding random blank pages for no reason? Let's fix that. Today I'm showing you how to delete a page in Google Docs, whether it's a sneaky blank page or a page full of content. Let's start with the blank page. First, open the document that's giving you trouble. Scroll to the blank page you want to get rid of, the one just sitting there doing absolutely nothing. Click Select and highlight the empty space of blank page till cursor right at the end of the content on the page before it. Now, hit the Delete key or backspace if you prefer. The blank page is gone. But what if you need to delete a page with content? Easy. Click at the top of the page you want to remove. Hold down your mouse and drag. Highlight everything, text, images, tables, whatever's there. Once everything's selected, press the Delete key or backspace. And just like that, the page and all its content disappears. If this tutorial saved you some time, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And drop a comment saying, I subscribed so I can personally thank you for the support. Thanks for watching and happy doc editing.